Yo, what's up guys? Lakas here, back with another video. So for the past like few weeks, my brakes have been pretty bad, the rear one specifically, and I think the pads and the rotor is going bad. So at the moment I don't have the means to just get a Brembo or just like a Akibono kit and put that on, so I'm just gonna like replace the pads. So I just thought my friend actually is gonna do most of the work. I'm probably actually just watching and learning. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna switch the rear pads, see if that fixes the problems, and at the same time a little how-to for those who don't know how to do it. And that's it, so let's dive right in. So these are the brands I got. TRQ, it's not the first time I get TRQ parts. Usually they're pretty good quality parts. So we're gonna get the rear installed. The front we'll see if it fixes the problem, but for now we'll do the rear. So like I said, I have to install rear pads on a G35, so let's dive right in.
The low life issue.
That's a nice jack too. I'm gonna show them how nice the jack is.
So this is the solution.
So we got the car lifted, we took the wheels off.
And then we just gotta move the two 14s from the top part of the caliper. Once that is out, this whole piece should come out, and then we'll just change the brake pads.
That's
Pretty simple.
Let's see how does it go.
Oh.
Now this part I'm gonna put it down.
That's what I was saying.
This one's fat, motherfucker.
This tool doesn't reach in the other one, so we have to use this one. Okay, righty tighty. Which way is right? We go up or down? Up, right? Yes.
Yeah.
That was an educated guess.
19. Take it up.
19.
19. So you're gonna use a 19 wrench.
Right in the back. Up or down?
Up.
Up.
Wow. Almost lost the phone right there.
Looks a little dangerous.
Yeah. To loosen it up, at least. We use the hammer for this one too. Second one.
That was special tool.
The hammer. No need for special tools here, just like this big guy over here, and you're good. And it should come off. The hammer again.
I'm just trying to put it gently.
It was like bad.
Oh my god. Oh, your brake pads were done.
Yeah, I was sure.
Look, it's on metal.
Yeah, I know. I could hear the noise. It was like shaking in the steering wheel. You know, when you're in the brakes, sorry, on the steering wheel, on the brakes when I was braking, I could feel the vibration. I know that the rear was the drums were like, I mean the drums, but the pod rollers were there. We cut the caliper out. We can see like how bad my old pads were. So that's the front one, which was pretty bad. Replacing it with a new front one. And let me see when again the back one again. Sorry. There we go. Oh my god. So yeah, like when we were trying to figure out the hardware, I was just explaining you like, so I actually thought it was the front making a noise, but I couldn't really hear it. I thought it was something touching, so I thought it was probably some stuff coming from the front, you know, like the, how do you call that, the disc protector, like the heat shield that was touching or something like that. Yeah, that shit that was touching. I thought it was something like that, and then the rear started making a noise, and I saw some dust coming on the wheel, which that's why the wheel is actually pretty black. And over 4 days it got really bad to the point where now the rotor is damaged because of these pads. But I didn't expect the rear pad to be that bad, so now we're just trying to, yeah, exactly, trying to make the hardware work here. Gotta make sure you put all the hardware. We got like a bunch of them are the same, so you don't need all of it. It just gives you extra because they obviously has two sides anyway. And here's how it looks. So we have put this one here, the other one there. Now we try to get it plugged in. Put it back in. C-clamp is also what you're gonna need here if you have one of those. Maybe get it at O'Reilly or something. Probably rent this. I never used one myself actually. So here.
This was actually broken. It's supposed to have a flat pad on it right here, like a swivel, but make it work.
This guy always makes it work. Somehow. You got the hammer technique before. Actually, the hammer for everything, man. I'm pro hammer.
You want to use the hammer to push this?
Yeah, man. Just a nice hit. Pop. Put it back in place.
Oops. Okay, so I put the two pads back in, and this bolt could not come out all the way, so I screwed them back in before installing it. So when I put it back over, I can tighten it, because if I don't put these bolts in now, I won't be able to put it because this is in the way. So we took it all the way out, make sure this could open, and then we slide over this, just like that, and then...
Just like a glove, man.
Yeah. 19. I'm trying to like finger it. Oh wow. I didn't even look.
My man has touch here.
I'm gonna look at this. It's like I'm having trouble finding the hole.
You had no problem finding the first one, so.
Yeah. I'm only good at one hole.
The man is loyal.
I think I got it.
Ah, there we go.
So then we just tighten back the two 19s, then the 14s, and then we're good to go. Then,
All right.
Then we do the other side and pump the brakes before we actually start moving the car, so you don't crash.
Yep. All right, guys. So one side was a pain in the ass, as you saw. So that's why I recorded this part. The other side was super easy. The big bolt came out and the whole caliper, like it took what? 10 minutes? 10 minutes was insane. And then the other one. Yeah, insane. So now we're going to test drive it and see how it looks. So that's how you guys install pads in the rear. And yeah, that's it. That's it for the video, guys. See you next time.